Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda CRF250L, a dual-sport motorcycle built for riders who want freedom on both pavement and dirt. From daily commuting to weekend trail adventures, this bike promises versatility and reliability. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda CRF250L features a rugged, off-road-inspired design with sharp body lines and a lightweight frame. Its tall stance, high ground clearance, and slim profile make it ideal for tackling trails while still looking aggressive on city streets. Engine and performance. Power comes from a 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth torque and dependable performance. The CRF250L delivers controlled power for off-road riding while remaining calm and efficient on highways and urban roads. Handling and suspension. With long travel suspension and a balanced chassis, the CRF250L absorbs bumps, rocks, and uneven terrain with ease. The bike feels stable at speed and confidence-inspiring on loose surfaces, making it friendly for both beginners and experienced riders. Technology and features. Honda equips the 2026 CRF250L with modern essentials like fuel injection, digital instrumentation, and ABS. These features improve efficiency, safety, and everyday usability without compromising its off-road character. Comfort and practicality. An upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a comfortable seat allow for long rides without fatigue. The lightweight build makes the bike easy to manage in traffic, trails, and tight spaces. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CRF250L remains one of the most balanced dual-sport motorcycles available. Reliable, capable, and versatile, it's a perfect choice for riders who want one bike that can truly do it all.